everybody, I'm Christine Danchuk. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day today. I just want to let you know that Danchuk is going to be at the Goodguys Lone Star Nationals in Texas. We're super excited to be there in September, and we're going to have Misty Taylor, which I'm sure some of you have had the pleasure of talking to on the phone. She knows a lot about Danchuk and her parts, so she's going to be there because she actually lives in Texas. So she's excited to go to that show. And then we're going to have Roscoe Thompson, who's going to be there too. And so Roscoe, why don't you tell us a little bit about the show?
Sure, thanks Christine. It's going to be the 27th, 28th, and 29th of September at Texas Motor Speedway in Fort Worth. We're going to be in something they call the garage. So we'll have a big display, stop down. We're going to have our brand new, made in the USA, actually right here in Santa Ana, California, our 1955 grills. So come by and check that out. We're also going to have some great Danchuk goodies. We can talk Tri-Fives. We're going to have a money-saving coupon for your next Danchuk order. You can only get it from the booth. And then something else that we're looking to do in Texas is to add a handful of Danchuk authorized dealers. And so if you have an interest in that, please stop by the booth, and Misty and I would love to have a chance to talk with you about that. Look forward to seeing you in Texas.
I'm excited that we're actually going to be at a show in Texas in our home state. Come support us, come say hi.
Bye, y'all.